In recent travel news, the Hawaiian island of Maui is grappling with the devastating aftermath of wildfires, which have led to significant destruction in the tourist town of Lahaina. As wildfires become more frequent, guidelines for handling such situations and ways to assist the disaster's victims are provided. Switching gears, an iconic hiking route, Italy's Via dell'Amore, Path of Love, famous for its romantic aura, is making a comeback after being closed due to a landslide in 2012. The first segment has reopened for a summer preview, with plans for the entire trail to be accessible again in July 2024. To curb overtourism, access now requires guided tours to preserve the landscape and local heritage. In other travel updates, a bear escaping from a flight's hold caused a delay in Dubai, while British Airways served unexpected Kentucky Fried Chicken to passengers, and a woman flew across the U.S. to retrieve her daughter's lost lacrosse kit. On a more luxurious note, a private terminal is set to open at the world's busiest airport in September, catering to upscale travelers. Additionally, a new premium cabin airline called Beyond will launch flights to the Maldives, offering lie-flat seats inspired by Ferrari cars. For those seeking unique accommodations, Gwyneth Paltrow's California guest house will soon be available on Airbnb, featuring a spa day and meditation session. In Wales, a home once owned by King Charles might become a rental option, boasting royal history and natural surroundings. As for train enthusiasts, the renowned 1940s passenger train, 20th Century Limited, has been restored and is once again offering rides, complete with the iconic red carpet treatment that defined its era.